If you're looking to remove water spots and scratches from your car, you can easily do it using items you already have at home. Stick around till the end of the video to discover 5 DIY car polishing ideas that you can try out at home. 1. Toothpaste. Whitening toothpastes are not just for your teeth. They contain mild abrasives that work wonders on small surfaces, helping to polish away surface scratches. 2. Baking soda and water. Create a paste using baking soda and water to gently polish away surface stains and scratches. Apply the mixture with a soft cloth, then rinse it off with water for a sparkling finish. 3. White vinegar and water. For a natural cleaning and polishing solution, mix white vinegar with water. This powerful combo is great for removing water stains and other contaminants from your car's surfaces. 4. Vaseline. Surprisingly, Vaseline can also be used to polish plastic and leather parts inside your car. Simply dab a small amount onto a soft cloth and gently rub it onto the desired surface for a sleek finish. 5. Dishwashing liquid and water. Need a quick and easy cleaner? Mix dishwashing liquid with water to create a simple yet effective solution for removing dirt and stains. Apply it with a soft cloth, then rinse with water for a spotless shine. With these DIY polishing solutions, you can keep your car looking its best without breaking the bank. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. If you have any experience in this area, we'd love for you to share it with us.